Hello students, I am Rashmi Badwa, Assistant Professor of Sant Andrew Institute of Technology and Management, Gurgaon from APCE Department. Student, today's topic is addressing modes from microcontroller and embedded system. This is my lecture number 9 and unit 3. So, first of all, what do you mean by addressing modes? Addressing modes is means to refer how you addressing a given memory location. This is the means that we are giving an instruction. So telling about the address of a given memory location. There are the 5 different ways for addressing modes to execute this instruction, which are as follows: immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register, direct addressing mode, register, indirect addressing mode and index addressing modes. ये 5 हैं. जैसे हमारे पास 885 माइक्रो प्रोसेसर है, 886 माइक्रो प्रोसेसर था, तो उसमें हमें हर किसी माइक्रो प्रोसेसर के अलग अलग डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एड्रेसिंग मोड्स हैं. So microcontroller के अपने addressing modes हैं. These are close similar to the 8085 microprocessor. 8086 microprocessor having 9 interrupts, so 9 addressing modes. So immediate addressing mode is one. Let's just say suppose move a comma hash 6ah is given. So in immediate addressing modes, immediate because of 8-bit data is transferred immediately to the accumulator and move a hash 6ah. This is a immediate addressing mode. The following is example is the above instruction and its execution is like that. The port 74h is saved as a 020 address and the data 6ah is saved as 0203 address in the program memory. After reading the opcode 74h, the data at the next memory address is transferred to the accumulator A, and since the instruction is of 2 byte and is executed in one cycle, the program counter will be incremented by 2 and will point at to this soft program name. Basically जो हमारी एक instruction है move a hash 6ah having opcode is 74h and bytes 2 and cycle 1. So this program memory contains the opcode at 74 and 023 at 6a, and this 6a is goes into the accumulator and the program counter is incremented to. So the location of the program counter is 204 यहाँ पर, क्योंकि यहाँ से 202 से 204 2 position increment होगा. And the hash symbol which is used in our instruction, this symbol indicates that the operand is in the data, and in the absence of this hash the hexadecimal number would be taken as an address. Next is a direct addressing mode. This is another way of addressing an operand. Here the address of the data is given as an operand. Let us take example move a comma 04h, and the register bank 0 hash 0 has an address of 04h. When the move instruction is executed, the data stored in the register 04h and is moved to the accumulator. As the register 04h holds the data, 1fh is moved to the accumulator. So we have not used hash in the direct addressing mode, unlike the immediate mode. If we use hash, the data value of 04 would have been transferred to the accumulator instead of 1fh. Now take a look for this example. This is an instruction move a comma hash 04h. This is an opcode e5 bytes 2 and cycle 1. So the program memory is in 202 पे E5 है, 203 पे 04 है, and accumulator 04 1F register bank hash 1F. So PC is incremented by 2, that is a 0204H. So this is a 2 byte instruction required one cycle to complete. Is this PC will be incremented by 2 and will point to 0 to 4, and the opcode are at for the instruction move a comma address is E5H. When the instruction at 020 is executed, then the accumulator is made active and ready to receive data. Then the program counter goes to the next address as 2023 and looks up the address of the location 04H, where the source data is located at 04H, and control finds the data 1F and address it to the accumulator, and hence the execution is completed. Next is the register addressing modes. In this addressing modes, we use the register name directly, and move a comma R4. At this time, the register can be taken the value from R0 to R7. There are the 32 such registers. In order to use 32 register, we just left 8 variable to address register. Register banks are used. There are the 4 register bank names 0 to 3, and each bank comprises of 8 register names at R0 to R7. At a single time, a single register bank can be selected, and a selection of the register bank is made possible through a special function register and named processor status word. And PSW is a 8-bit SFR, whereas each bit can be programmed as required, and bits are designated from PS0 to PS7, and PS3 and PS4 are used for select registers. So you can see this instruction move a comma R4. तो register addressing mode है, तो यहाँ पे directly R4 आपको register given होगा, opcode and bytes 1 and cycle 1. So having this direct memory 202 is EC, program counter is 203, and this is the data memory having register bank R1 and RB0, and this 2F data is in the accumulator, यहाँ से चला जाएगा accumulator. Next is opcode EC is used for a move A, comma R4. The opcode is stored at the address 202, and when it is executed, the control goes directly to R4 of the respective register bank. If the register bank hash 0 is selected, then the data from R4 of the register bank hash 0 will be moved to the accumulator. Here 2F is stored at 04, and 04 is represent the address of R4 of the register bank. Next is 2F. Movement is highlighted is in bold, that is 2F, this one. दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन है, ये आपको बस पढ़ने के बाद आपको सारी एक्सप्लेनेशन क्लियर हो जाएगी. 2F is getting a transfer to the accumulator from data memory location to 0CH, and is shown as a dotted line, and 0CH is in a data address location of the register 4 of the register bank, and the instruction above is 1 byte and required 1 cycle for complete execution, and you can save the program memory by using the register direct addressing mode. Now come to the register indirect addressing mode. In this mode, the address of the data is stored in the register as an operand, and hence the value inside the R0 is considered as an address, because move A at the rate R0 है. So R0 एक address को consider किया है, and which holds the data to be transferred to the accumulator. And example R0 has a value of 20H. मान लो R0 में 20H value है, and the data 2FH is stored or 20H store है 2F पे. So the value 2F will be transferred to the accumulator after executing this instruction. You can see this example. Suppose आपके पास 20H है location, उसके ऊपर 2F data है, और वो हमारा accumulator में जाएगा, and program counter is incremented 1, and hence and here you are using the opcode for move A hash R0 is a E6H. So assuming that the register bank hash 0 is selected, the R0 of the register bank hash 0 holds the data 20H, and the program controls moves to 20H, where it locates the data 2FH, and it transfers 2FH to the accumulator. This is 1 byte instruction, and the program counter is incremented by 1 and moves to 203 to the program memory. Next is only R0 and R1 are allowed to form a register indirect addressing instruction, and in other words, the programmer can create an instruction R0 at R1. All the register banks are allowed. Next is the index addressing modes. Here we are taking 2 examples of the index addressing mode to understand the concept of this, that is move CA at the rate A plus DPTR. Basically, this is from the source data. DPTR is a data pointer, and PC is a program counter. This is 16-bit, both are 16-bit register. So consider first example, move A hash at the rate A plus DPTR. The source operand is at the rate A plus DPTR. It contains the source data from this location. Here we are also adding the content of DPTR with the current content of the accumulator, and the addition will be given as a new address, which is the address of source data. So this is the instruction. Opcode is a 93 byte one instruction and cycle 2. So when we are taking this data 0200101FC एंड 93x, तो हम इसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, DPTR, DPH एंड DPL, हायर एंड लोअर ऑर्डर, एंड व्हेन 01 एंड FH दोनों को ऐड कर देते हैं, एंड add after add you will get in the data in the accumulator, and with 0 program counter is 1. So in 93 is an at the location, the opcode is 93. This one is an opcode. DPTR has a value of 01F. This is 01, and FE that is located at 01 in DPH, and EF is FE is in DPL, lower 8-bit and higher 8-bit, and accumulator has a value of 02H. Then a 16-bit addition is performed, and 01 FE plus 2H result is in your 0200 location पे चला जाएगा. This is a 60-bit additions performed, and the data at the location 0200H will be transferred to the accumulator, and the previous data जो भी accumulator में होगा वो replace हो जाएगा with the new data. So this is my 1 byte instruction, 2 cycles, and execution time required for the instruction is higher as compared to the previous instruction. And the other example for this is say work as the same. Instead of DPTR with the accumulator, here the data inside the program counter is added with the accumulator to obtain the target address. So this is all about the addressing modes. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.